It's March 14th, 2018. I'm going to eat Lithuanian potato pancakes with full pork filling, and I'm going to talk about the stock market. So I'm going to show you the pancakes right here. That's how they look like. Let's open this up, and here's the filling right here. As you can see, these are actually not bad at all. Here's dried pineapple, which is super sweet and quite delicious. Furthermore, I'm going to drink pepper mango tea. That's how the tea looks like. And I'm going to drink it with sugar. And it's time to make the tea right now. It looks like I forgot my spoon, so I'll just have to somehow adjust these amounts using the boxes. I'm sure that's enough for now. And now the sugar. Okay, that's quite a bit of sugar, and obviously I like it. The more there is, the better. And here it is. Pepper mango tea. Alright. And let's try this. It's certainly very, very delicious. Now let us take a look, or I'm going to talk about my portfolio of stocks that I wish to talk about. It may change in the future. I'm adding more stocks, commodities, just to make things more interesting. More stocks, commodities to follow, which would give a wider perspective of things that are currently going on. So first of all, it's Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that for some time now it's a very, very big deal, because it went from almost nothing to being valued as a really good car, which is pretty much nearly $20,000. And in total on Bitstamp exchange it was valued on 19,666. Went down on 2018 February to 5,920. Moved up to 8,366 on 2018 March 5th or so. Not necessarily the 5th, it's just a weekly chart, so you know what I'm talking about. And it's currently going down, and its current today's price at this moment is 8,712. It looks like it's losing value for some time now. It's the second week that it's losing value. It's been quite volatile, and that's exactly how Bitcoin works. It's extremely volatile. It's not surprising for it to move up $1,000 up and down in a matter of maybe 5 to 10 hours. The day traders that trade Bitcoin are certainly in the best position, because Bitcoin was trading at very high numbers. So what does that mean? That means even a slightless move up and down when an asset is worth nearly $20,000 is going to be huge. So it could be $2,000 up and down with a difference of a couple of $100 just in a matter of hours. And a lucky trader, or a good trader, whatever you want to call it, can make a considerable amount of money by simply being right when to buy when the market was going $2,000 upwards and $2,000 downwards. That's probably the most crazy, amazing and unbelievable thing that can happen in a stock market while trading, which is an asset moving $2,000 up without leverage, then going down $1,700 with an intention to do this over and over and over and over again. Now let's move on to Ripple. Ripple moved from its relative low, but not subject to low. As you may know, Ripple in 2017 alone wasn't even worth a penny, a cent. However, in 2017 December, compared to the beginning of the year when Ripple was nearly worthless, in 2017 December, Ripple was already worth 25 cents. And in 2018 January, Ripple was worth $3.31 on Bitstamp exchange, and it consistently moved down to a low of 56 cents on on 2018 February. So it looks like a bump and dump, right? So basically somebody invested a lot of money and took a lot of money out. However, let's not get confused. Ripple is moving very similarly to everybody else in cryptocurrency world, and these kind of stocks tend to move very similarly. So Bitcoin was going down, that means Ripple, Ethereum are gonna go down too, and that's not subject to, but this is what most likely gonna happen. It's just that these movements are so extremely volatile, it's just unbelievable. Unbelievable in terms of how much money you can make or lose by being in a trade. The current price for Ripple is 74 cents overall, and obviously it's very valuable. However, it will go down for as long as Bitcoin going down, and I personally believe it should go up. I'm not sure if that's the end for cryptocurrencies, but I would not be surprised if this is where it kind of consolidates and gets its own price. So just as like currencies, it would be kind of fair to say that a specific price would stay for a year or two before it moves slightly up or down rather than tens of thousands of percent. However, if Ripple goes to $10 or $100 per Ripple, I would just see this as a very similar extraordinary thing as Ripple moving from part of a cent to over $3 also. Now let's go to the third cryptocurrency, and that's Ethereum. Ethereum moved from its relative low on Bitstamp exchange at late 2017 of 201, and it moved on to 2018 January high of 1,420. Going down to 2018 February low of 565. Then it gradually moved on to February 2018 high of 983. So from February like 5th to February 12th it moved up. And up until now, it's gradually going down, just like other cryptocurrencies, to a $655 per Ethereum coin. Now, on NASDAQ has been successfully recovering for some time now, and it's at 7,500. It did had a correction. It moved up to 7,505 on 2018 January. Then it moved south to 6,630 on 2018 February. So that's the correction, and now it's moving once again upwards, and it's at the current price of 7,511, and obviously it's most likely subject to move still forward. Euro USD. It looks like Euro is still consistently increasing its value. Of a low of $1.03 in 2016 December to a high of $1.20 in 2017 September. Then a correction took place. Euro was less valued at 2017 December. It was valued at $1.15, and it gradually, with very small corrections, it reached its peak on January 2018 at $1.25, and its current price on March 12th, 2018 is $1.23. So Euro wasn't really moving upwards and downwards in the last month at all.